Wondered what macronutrients are and why they are important to our health. Macronutrients are the nutrients we need in large amounts to fuel our bodies and support our overall health. They come in three main types: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each plays a unique and crucial role in our nutrition, providing the energy we need to thrive, powering our muscles to supporting our brain function. These macronutrient heroes have got to cover. Now that we've introduced the main players, let's delve deeper into each one. First up, carbohydrates. But not just about pasta and bread. Let's dive into the compelling world of carbohydrates. These organic compounds are our body's primary source of energy. When you consume carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, which fuels your cells, tissues, and organs. Not all carbohydrates are created equal. They're divided into two main types: simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates found in foods like fruits and honey are quick to digest, offering an instant energy boost. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates found in foods like whole grains and vegetables are digested slowly, providing sustained energy and keeping you full longer. Now you may be thinking, should I cut carbs to lose weight? Well, it's not that simple. Carbohydrates are an essential part of a balanced diet. The dietary guidelines for Americans recommend that carbs should make up about 3/4 of your total calorie intake. That's because they're not just energy providers. They also play a crucial role in brain function and are vital for the nervous system and muscles during exercise. Before you shun that slice of bread or bowl of pasta, remember the importance of carbohydrates in diet, not the enemy. In fact, they're pretty essential. So you see, carbohydrates aren't villains, they're a crucial part of our diet. Next, we have proteins, the building blocks of our body. Proteins play a starring role in almost all biological processes, and their structure determines their function. They're crucial for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. They are made up of 20 different types of amino acids. Our body's fundamental building blocks of these, our bodies can produce 11. We call these non-essential amino acids, not because they're unimportant, but because it's not essential for us to get them from our diet. Remaining 9, however, are known as essential amino acids. These we must take from the foods we eat. Here's something people take for granted. Plant protein needs to be the main source of protein. Should you decide to eat animal protein limited to 1-3 servings each week, the recommended intake of protein is about 10% of our daily calories. This can vary depending on factors like age, sex, and level of physical activity. Proteins are more than just gym supplements, vital for our overall health. Lastly, we have fats, often misunderstood and unfairly demonized fats. My friends, are an integral part of a healthy diet. The body's major energy reserves play a critical role in hormone production and aid in the absorption of certain vitamins. There are three main types of fats: saturated, unsaturated, and trans fats. Saturated fats found in foods like butter and meat can raise your cholesterol if consumed excessively. Saturated fats, on the other hand, are the good guys. They lower your bad cholesterol levels and are found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. I suggest no oils and eat nuts and avocado when they are part of the recipe. Trans fats, often found in processed foods, are ones to avoid, as they can increase bad cholesterol while decreasing the good chi. As for intake, about 15% of your daily calories should ideally come from fats. So remember, fats aren't the enemy. They have key roles in our body functions. Understanding macronutrients is the first step, but how do we balance them? Balance in the world of nutrition is not just about a teeter-totter of carbs, proteins, and fats, but ensuring our body gets the right amount of each in a way that's sustainable and enjoyable. Remember, carbohydrates should make up about 75% of your daily caloric intake. Proteins, on the other hand, should account for around 10% and fats 15%. But these are just general guidelines. What's crucial is to understand your unique dietary needs and restrictions. For instance, someone with an active lifestyle might need more proteins, while someone with certain health conditions might need to limit their intake of certain types of fats. So explore, experiment, and invest in a health coach, and most importantly, listen to your body. It's the best nutritionist you'll ever have. Balancing macronutrients is not only about nutrition, but also about promoting a healthier lifestyle. We've journeyed through the world of macronutrients, but what's the takeaway? We've discovered that carbohydrates, proteins, and fats play vital roles in our bodies, and that maintaining a balanced intake is crucial. Carbohydrates should make up about 75%, proteins 10%, and fats 15% of our daily caloric intake. Understanding macronutrients is more than just a diet fad. It's a key element in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is understanding and balancing your macronutrients. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel.